Alright, here's another video. We're going to be taking apart a Game Boy Advance. Oh, it's not Game Boy Advance. This is a Game Boy Color thing. I got it from a bookstore. They sell all kinds of video games and all that cool stuff. Yeah, and I put it back together after I realized what was wrong with it, but I'm going to show you how I did it because I've never done this before, so this will be the first time. So if you like my videos, please hit that like button or subscribe. That way you can get notifications whenever I release new videos. Alright. So, I was like, what in the world do I use for this? Because I took the screw off. I'm using this is an LTT bit, and it says G3.8. Alright, and I was over here trying to pull this apart, trying to figure out how in the world to even do it, and I couldn't figure it out. So I had to pull up a YouTube video. Apparently you just push down like so. It slides, and you're able to do this. So essentially, this was rattling around. I didn't know what it was. So they tested the game. The game will boot, I believe. It just won't keep your saves. So I'm just trying stuff out here. So I'm just going to assume that I just need to solder these two together, and it should work. I mean, it's just my assumption. Could be completely wrong. Alright, we'll add some flux here. Alright, let me zoom in a little. Alright. This almost makes me think like this thing has been played with a bunch of times. I mean, how else would it just be like this? I think what I'll do too is add some Captain tape on top of it, just to make sure. Do I not have any tweezers? I need a tweezer. Really? One second while I find some tweezers. Alright, I'm back. I just don't want to touch this and burn the living crappy out of my hand. That wouldn't be the first time, I suppose. It should be enough. Ooh! Look at that on my hands. Alright. Let me add some up here. Could be completely wrong on this, but it's not like I can't take it apart again later. So I'm just gonna kind of hold it together here. Come on. Alright. So I've restored it somewhat. Oh, that shit was still a little hot. Alright. Let's see if this will work. I'm not quite sure which way it would go. I'm going to assume this way. Or if this is even the right screw or battery. This is one I had laying around. Come on. Oh. Let's see what happens. I have no idea if I did this right. I could have destroyed it. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna zoom out. So I got this along with a Gameboy Advance, which in a future video I'm gonna change the display out, probably do the speaker amp mod, and do some other things to it. Hopefully this works. So let me get 2 batteries. Alright. 2 batteries. Alright. Let's see what happens. Does this actually work? We'll see if it'll save. Is that backlight brightness? Oh, it does. It's 12. It's 18. What's up, Lux? You good? Alright. What I'm doing, sorry I'm not talking. I'm just waiting for the minute to change. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to launch the game and see if it actually saves. That way I know everything is good. And now. Oh my gosh. Can't even see it. That sounds good. Is there a volume on this? Oh, that was the volume. That's as bright as it gets. Oh, God, it's been so long since I've used this. That's why I study Pokemon. I'll go by Zen. Too bad you couldn't be a chick in these older games. Well, you can when they let you do the remake. This is my favorite Pokemon game too. That's why I couldn't help but snatch it. I remember getting it from Toys R Us. Oh man. What just happened? We'll do 20. If it does that again, I'm going to assume that it's not working properly. Alright, I'll come back once I get this. Alright, so I came back and it saved the game. The problem is the batteries are dying. So yeah. Alright, that's how you do it. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, like and subscribe. And in the comment section, please write and leave comments of things you might want me to mod or fix within reason. Alright guys, you have a wonderful day and thanks for stopping by.